The way you are away, how far we've had our past. I hope it lasts. I love you though. This love can grow. We've reached our peak. We're strong, not weak. Don't leave me hanging 'cause you know.
Alright lads, how are you? So, today is another car show video, by same lads that made burgers on me, no, burgers on the green. So we're gonna go there and get a few clips of the cars and all that. So, so yeah, I'll see you next to it. So I'm at already, and there are a few cars coming already, so I'm gonna get some videos. Alright, so it's back again now. So Charlie's here now. So record me again. And you know, there's some nice stuff here already. If anyone's seen in the last video, there's a golf coming. These are golf. His name is Rorkio. He's coming here and so a video of him. So we're just gonna get videos of the. We're just gonna get some videos of the cars that are here now. Yeah. Alright lads. So yeah, these are all the cars here. Nice R33 over here and all that. Oh, if you look over, I think it's shot flames. You can see the burn marks on the bumper. You see that, Charlie? Look at that, Charlie. Burn marks on the bumper.
Oh yeah.
Because he was spitting flames before. And because yeah, loads more cars here. So we're gonna get some videos of them. And we're gonna wait for the golf too and all that. So yeah. Alright lads, so it's kinda raining now, so we're just out here. We're just, you know, we're still here, you know. Nice golf that. I really like the Fat 5 on that, but I really like that car there. And yeah, but generally, I don't know. I don't know. Are we gonna be filming much today? But hopefully. So, yeah, I'll see you next time. And so, we're gonna start running now. And we're gonna get some clips of the cars driving out. Since I think it is 1:15 now, so we're gonna get some clips of them leaving. Me and Charlie. And while we're at it, when they're gone, I'm gonna wait. And I'm gonna do some edits. I'm gonna show you at the end of the video how the white vans are. So, yeah. We'll be just recording them leaving now. When we actually see them now. But anyway, yeah. So we don't know what exit they're coming out of, so we're gonna go back down very quickly and ask them. So yeah, hopefully they're coming out the exit that we're coming out of. But anyway, yeah, I'll see you next time. Alright, so they're coming out the same exit as last time. So hopefully we're gonna have them leaving. And also, actually, I'm sorry for not saying it again, but I think the Irish van wasn't talking to you, was it? What? The Irish van
ice cream man in town today?
Yesterday.
Yesterday? No.
Oh God, no! I was told myself that it did. But anyway, so we're gonna catch him leaving at like 2 minutes. Right there, you know. But anyway, because he's heading down for a speech. So 2 minutes right to find out. So yeah. We're gonna catch him leaving. Actually, good for nice cars down there. Hopefully they'll do a bit of a drift. We're really hot now, but hopefully we find some cars. So yeah. Okay. Anyway, so yeah, we'll catch them leaving. So I'll see you in the exit. Here comes the leader of it again.
Caddy.
But yeah, we'll catch some cars. We'll catch the cars leaving too. But you know, gotta give the leader a special mention too. Alright lads, so we got that thing, whatever it is.
Shit.
I preferably like this one.
Yeah, that's the last one.
So lads, I think that's the last one there. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll actually show the clips in after this clip now. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I'll comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. I'm pretty sure I know these lads from my school. I know them from my school actually.
You know who? Alana?
No, them lads in the car there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So yeah.
My